Explained by the Billy Meier contacts. Mysteries, myths, legends, conspiracy theories, historical inaccuracies, and more. Compiled by David Chance, revised October 18, 2023.
Kathein Planet. Contact Report 223.
The two of them, Pa and Simya, say, "Only let me see one other planet, but this always only remains on the far side of the sun and cannot be seen from the Earth." Do you know why such claims about other moons are continuously made? This also applies to other planets that should be located behind Pluto or so, whereby the planet behind the sun is not meant.
You speak of the planet Kathein, which will drift away from the Sol system in the near future and hurry away into space.
Contact Report 228.
All that remains to be said is that beyond the sun, a large planet orbits the star at great speed and can therefore never be seen from Earth. This is an uninhabited planet to which we have given the name Kathein, but which will drift out of the Sol system in the coming time.
Excuse me, but what is it about the 10th planet that's supposed to be floating around out there? You guys have always talked about such a 10th and further planet.
Apart from smaller planets far outside Pluto's orbit, this is the Earth-sized planet Kathein, which orbits the sun at great speed and at a great distance, but which will drift away more and more in the coming years and escape into space. Its orbital period around the sun is so great that, seen from Earth, it remains steadily hidden behind the sun.
Contact Report 241.
The planet Kathein, as it is called in our records, hidden behind the sun, was touched by the SOL system at the 10th to last passage of the destroyer through the SOL system and torn into its gravitational force field, but then broke out of the force field again and maintained its almost normal orbit around the sun, but at an enormously increased speed, while the destroyer continued its pre-drawn orbit and broke into the solar system, causing destruction or changes in many places. Since then, the planet Kathein itself has been orbiting the sun in the form and at abnormally high speed mentioned above, but slowly moving away from the solar system and entering the attraction area of a wandering spiral arm of a black hole that will sweep the planet with it later this year. It is the same spiral arm that also took the sand and dust accumulations of the planet Venus.
When will the ripoff happen?
According to our calculations, this event will take place on the 16th of June.
Is Kathein one of those two planets that we have not discovered yet and that we call Uni and Trans-Pluto?
No, the planet Kathein has nothing to do with it. It is also without any life of any form.
And the spiral arm of the black hole, will it be even more effective in our solar system?
No, because if there are not unpredictable changes, then the spiral arm collapses with the torn path of the planet Kathein, and again becomes one with the hollow funnel of the dark hole, or even the black hole, as the Earth humans call these structures.
Well, then it would be interesting and perhaps even important to know where the black hole is, or how far away it is from our SOL stem. They once gave me approximate information about it, but I do not know if it really applies. From an exact specification, it would then be possible to calculate the length of the spiral arm that has afflicted Venus, and that will take the planet Kathein with it.
This black hole is located in the direction of the structure that you call M87, and that is about 5.4 light-years away from the planet Kathein.